Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to pin hard drive to taskbar in Windows 11. Right-click anywhere on your desktop, choose New Shortcut from the list. A new window will open. Type D:, and click on Next. The name will appear automatically. Click on Finish. You will have a shortcut for hard drive. Right-click on the shortcut and choose Properties from the list. A new window will open. Go to Shortcut tab. Look for Target. Type Explorer in front of the disk letter. Click on Apply and OK. Right-click on the shortcut. Choose Show More Properties from the list. Choose Pin to Taskbar. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!